Changing your plan on Kunversion is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition to your desired plan. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the Kunversion website and logging into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the plan you wish to change. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select subscription or plan options. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled subscription or plan options. Click on this to view current plan details and available upgrade or downgrade options. Step 4. Choose your new plan. Review the different plans available and select the one that best fits your needs. Click on the plan you want to change to, and ensure you read any details regarding pricing and features. Step 5. Confirm changes and payment. After selecting your new plan, you will be prompted to confirm your changes. Review the information, and if everything looks correct, proceed to enter any necessary payment information and finalize the change. Once you have completed these steps, your plan will be updated accordingly. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Kunversion's customer support for assistance.